Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can host your own website completely free using Firebase Hosting by Google. You don't need any server or domain, just your HTML file and a few simple commands. By end of this video, your website will live on in the internet in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to come to this website, the Google Firebase, and you can simply log in, and then you can go to console here. Then you can create a Firebase project first. Keep in mind that you have to specify your project name differently because it will be used as your domain. For example, in my case, I'm gonna type here Corit, then Corit website. So the domain will come coritwebsite.web.app. So keep in mind that. Okay. So Corit website. Yeah. Yeah. And I will continue. Just can leave that. You don't need actually that, but yeah, it's okay. Then your location. In my case, I'm from India. So I'm creating my project here. Let it be load. I will back in. So our project is ready now. Yeah. So when come back to build and select hosting. Then let's get started. First, you need to run this command on your CMD if you are installing on first time. In my case, I'm already installed, but in for this video, I will show you again. So I'm just opening my CMD and entering the command. Just install. It will take time to install. Let it install. So yeah, we can see that our Firebase tool has been installed successfully. We can just simply close this, and after that, you can create a folder like this. My case is website tutorial. Whatever you can just name it. Then you have to create another folder called public. Okay. Then this is our HTML. You can see this is a sample website that I created using AI. So yeah, this is the website. Today I'm going to show you how to host it. So simply drag over to public, then back to our Firebase, then just press next. Then this is the another step. We have to copy this and shift control open terminal by here. Just login. It will show account details here. Just a second. After that, you can just click on this. It will, it will pop up like it will show you which account should be used. I'm using this. Then just continue. Hello. You have been successfully logged in here. You can see successfully logged in as an email. Then back to here. After you can just copy this, paste here. Firebase init. Then you can see the folder we're gonna use as this. I'm going yes and select this. By selecting, we can use down arrow and select hosting. For hosting to select, you can press space, then enter. Then we can see use an existing project or create a new project. We already created a new project here, so we used an existing project. Then you would be ask which project you want to use. In my case, called website. just enter. Then you can see where do you want to use the public directory. In my case, as I said earlier, it's a public. So just enter as, then configure single, yes. Setup automatic, no. In this case, if you want to changes regularly, you can also link your GitHub to here. This way I'm not showing how to do that. So I'm pressing N and enter. Then you can see public / index.h already exists. Do you want to overwrite? Press no. If you press X, it will be overwrite your current HTML folder. So in my case, no. So it successfully uh, loaded the file. Now we want to press next. Then you can see the Firebase deploy. Just copy, paste, enter. Then it will take time to deploy the website. Yes, this is our two domain here. If you copy this, then paste over here, you can see your website has been hosted under 5 minutes for free. You can just continue to console. You can see our website here. This is our file code, and this is our two domain. You can press this also is a domain. If you want to connect your custom domain, you can add by here. You can simply add the domain and move on to next video. If you want to know how to add a custom domain, in the comment I will do another video about it. It's very simple. You can just uh, follow the instruction as I said, but there is a little catchy to do that. So I hope you enjoy the video, and uh, your host and your website will be live in under 5 minutes by watching this video. So until next time, see you again.